In this video, we're going to use some of our work features. I have a hose nozzle here, and I want to create an area to place a gasket. So for this example, first thing I want to do is click Axis. I'll put me an axis right in the middle. Then we'll click Work Plane and come over to my model bar and see which one works. And the XZ works, so I'm going to come over and click Yes, I want that, and change it to 0 degrees. I could have left it at 90, doesn't make any difference, but out of habit I do that. I'm going to start a new sketch. So I pick this sketch, and I can't see inside, so I can cut. So what I'm going to do is right click and pick Slice Graphic. Also could have used the shortcut key F7. So now I can see the inside, but those lines really are not on my sketch. So I'm going to project cut edges, which is one of your options for project geometry. And now I can actually see where I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and create a little rectangle shape for this gasket. And I'm going to type it as 0.125 and press my tab key and do 0.125. Now I have my shape. So now I'm going to use the shortcut key R for revolve. And I'll zoom in to make sure I get the shape I want. And then I'm going to zoom out so I can pick the axis I want. So I want to revolve around here. But I want to do a cut extrude so I can place my gasket in there. So I'm going to click OK. And now you can see I have a place for my gasket. Well, one of the designers decided he wanted to have some nice little decorations on the outside, so I'm going to go ahead and put them there, and I'm going to use this tangent to a surface and parallel to a plane. So I'm going this plane, I want to parallel that and tangent to that surface. So sketch. Now I'm sketching on that. Right click, slice graphics so I can see what I'm doing, and project cut edges. So now I can zoom right in, and let's say I'm going to do let me do a circle. I'm going to put it right on that line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to revolve that. So I'm going to place another line. I'm going to zoom in so I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to click right on this line. Then I'm going to use my trim command to cut away the parts I don't need. So now I'm going to revolve. And you're going to have to zoom in to see that. Revolve that around this axis. I'll click OK. And now I have this neat little shape in there. So now I'm going to use circular pattern. And I zoom in right here, or I can pick it from the model bar. Sometimes that's easier. And let's see, I got to pick an axis of rotation. So I'll go back to the axis so you can see how valuable it is. And I'm going to do 36 of these. Click OK. And there I have my nice little shapes on the outside of my hose nozzle. And then I go back to these particular sketches, work planes here, and I want to turn their visibility off because I don't need them right now. And it gets in the way. So just again, cut off your visibility and do the same thing for the work axis. And now I have a nice little hose nozzle. Hope this helps. If you need anything, let us know.